closet there. Bedroom. Nice vinyl windows. Beautiful view of the carports. Let's see here. Second bedroom. Fun little gabled window. Again with the new vinyl windows. Little bathroom. Fun little tub. Do all of the units have the newer vinyl windows?
Yes.
Laundry. Very exciting. Kitchen. Entry.
You're a good sister.
I try. Lots of cupboards. This
All the appliances are basically the same.
Yeah.
lovely little food
Yeah,
bar.
we have a couple that are remodels that have really, really new appliances, but that's only a few of them. They all do have newer fridges, which we just put in. Yeah, looks like they would be either that style of microwave and stove and stuff. It's not that, those are the oldest kind that we have, so they'd be newer, it's not those.
Little space heater.
Garbage disposal?
Yep.
Are they all electric space heater or?
Yeah, we have those ones out here and then it's baseboard heating in the bedrooms.
Okay. A little deck area. Storage area. For camping gear.